Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Pega, and welcome to another Trustbar Talk episode. I think we're almost ready to go live. Today, we're going to look at what functionality we have that's ready that I will be deploying across the environments soon. Talk about possible go live dates, deployments, contract audits. But without further ado, let's go through what we got here. So first, you're obviously going to need a wallet to connect to Trustbar. I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet, and then you can see our pools. Basically, this is your balance here, as you can see. It's basically my balance in the Trustbar pool. And this is the total pool the total balance in the pool. My balance is a bit less because I've already staked some tokens. So if you go to farms, there's still no APY because there's no real price feed and stuff, but you can select the farm and then you can see how much tokens you've earned, and you can harvest, you can unstake, or you can stake more tokens. That's how much more I've got to stake. So going back home, so firstly, what you would need to do when you join the Trustbar platform is to deposit some crypto into the Trustbar pool. By clicking deposit here, you get a slider based on your dollar amount. You can choose how much you want to deposit. Let's choose about 2,000, which is about half. So yeah, let's go to 50%. There you see 2,000. We got sufficient balances. We still need to put in some validations for these balances, and also maybe a single token deposit, which will convert into these three underlying tokens. So the Trustbar pool will be made up of these three tokens: dollar, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And when people trade on Balancer, we will earn trading fees, and then your crypto will grow that way. So that's the first aspect of how your crypto will go on Trustbar. So let me just confirm this. There's your MetaMask popping up asking for confirmation. Wow, this is local machine, so it's a bit slow. It should actually be better on the main net, I hope. Okay, so the deposit is going. Let's open it up and actually show the back end. This is now your deposit to join the Balancer pool. There's a deposit that's gone through. Let's open this on Etherscan and see how it looks. Etherscan on Kovan is also a bit slow, but there you can see that's how much we deposited, and then we got issued with a so much Trustbar liquidity pool token. Okay. So if you look back here, if we go to farms again, our liquidity pool token should be now a bit more. And you have to go and say you want to stake your liquidity pool. There is it now. It's 0.54. So we can go back home, and obviously the balance has increased also here. If we go and withdraw a little bit, maybe you can decide how much you want to withdraw. Let's withdraw 10%. Check out how that works. So it's 10% of everything. Cool. Confirm. Come on, MetaMask. Okay. That's confirmed. That's also submitted to the blockchain, and then once that's gone through, that should close. Let's see here. How are we looking on MetaMask? Okay, it's still pending. Okay, completed. And that's the withdraw on the blockchain done, and the tokens should be back in your wallet now. So that would be depositing and withdrawing from a pool. Etherscan is a bit slow. This will load just now. Give me a second, give it a second. There we go, loaded. There was the withdraw. That's from the pool back into our wallet. So withdraw is successful. Right, now if we go to farms, we should have a little bit less than that 0.55 that we had because we took out some. And then you can come here, you see, got about 10% less, yep. And then once you have your LP to start earning Trustbar tokens, then you would go and deposit. Of course, you can deposit max, but I was testing, so I like to deposit fractions and see how it looks. On confirming the deposit, whatever tokens that have been there will automatically be harvested, and whatever Trustbar tokens that been earned will automatically be harvested and returned to your wallet. So that's the deposit transaction. So if you already earned some Trustbar tokens, those will be harvested and returned to your wallet. Let's see how that's going. Okay, cool. Deposited, and the earnings have reset. The balance is lower. If we go check that on the contract, you should see a deposit and then also a harvest transaction of the Trustbar tokens which have been returned to the wallet. Here we go. So that's the 10% allocation to the dev wallet. That's that. And then that is the harvest of the Trustbar tokens. And then those have been returned to the wallet. And this is the actual deposit of the pool token. So your wallet should have a little bit less now. If you go back, there's earnings also per block. So as the blocks update, you add more. That's it, you deposited. And then if you want to withdraw some of your token, you can come to unstake and then you can withdraw 0.2 and then confirm. And then that will return your pool token. And then if you wanted your crypto back, then you would go to the pool itself and withdraw from the pool by returning the pool tokens and then getting your Trustbar tokens back plus any fees earned. So that's pretty much the functionality that we're gonna go live with. We'll be building out the trade functionality next so that we allow people to trade any token to any token. We'll be providing a liquidity pool token, liquidity pool for Trustbar soon, so that those that have earned Trustbar could start trading it, or those that want to buy or sell can buy and sell. What else? So yeah, I think that will be the focus. So go live sometime next week, definitely, probably Friday, Wednesday, somewhere there, undecided. We'll know on the weekend for sure once I've deployed this to a couple of environments. So basically this needs to get off my machine and run on still the Kovan network as the dev environment, and then from there we will deploy to the Mumbai testnet in prep for Polygon go live, and we'll use that as the UAT. And then once we've done that successfully, then we'll have a firm date of when we will go live on the mainnet. So get ready, guys. Trustbar is ready. Contract audits will be in touch with RugDoc soon, just to get that seal of approval that everything is hunky-dory, and then we'll probably be looking around at contract audits in the next coming months, and then we'll publish those as they come through. The pool itself is a balancer pool. Don't think it's you can see it from here, but that is the pool itself. It won't show that it's a balancer pool from here, but yeah, it's a balancer pool, so there's no worries there. The funds are safe. And then the master chef, there's no migrator, and obviously it's just going to be minting those Trustbar tokens for you guys to earn. And then once we've got a market, we'll be able to have a APY, and then we'll see how the returns look. So yeah, it's all good, guys. We should be going live in the next week. So yeah, keep your eyes posted. Trustbar is ready.